Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The aim of this video is to teach you how to make your own moisturizer at home so you're more in control of what ingredients you would add and what ingredients you might need to accommodate your own unique skincare needs. Show you what it looks like. Palms on my hand, look at that. Today we're making a natural skin. It's all natural and we're using a lot of natural ingredients in making this moisturizer. Again, you can use this as your base cream and improve upon the recipe. So I'm measuring out my ingredients for the face cream. I'm going to be using my scale to do this. You can use distilled water or freshly boiled water that is cooled down. Now, colloidal oats can be quite difficult to find. So what I do is I just get regular oats from the store and I use my dry blender to blend it down. And once it's blended down, there you have your colloidal oats. Now, the reason why I chose oats is it's got natural emollients which work together to make your skin look more youthful, more glowing, and definitely brighter. Oats has incredible, amazing benefits for your skin. It has got lipids and antioxidants which help to protect your skin's natural barrier. Because oats are very gentle in nature, is also suitable for multiple skin types. It's gentle enough for you to even use in your baby's bath water. You also need honey or glycerin. And we're going to be using emulsifying wax. Now, emulsifying wax is what is going to add as what would bind the oil and the water together. So I prefer to use emulsifying wax as opposed to using beeswax. So we use a gentle heat to melt our water phase and our oil phase beakers. Once it's melted down, I poured the water phase into the oil phase. And once you pour it in, you need to start stirring and mixing it. Once I took it off the heat, you need to get your immersion blender. And this is where the magic happens, where we start to blend the lotion down. The aim of blending it down is to get it thicker. It's amazing how it starts to gently thicken up. It is important to use a preservative to make sure your moisturizer doesn't go rancid or doesn't go bad. Vitamin E is a great antioxidant, helps to boost the effectiveness as well as the benefits of your moisturizer. So here I'm also adding in my essential oils. You can use any combination that you find pleasing. If your skin is sensitive, and as I said, if you're going to be using this on babies and children, you can skip this step altogether. Now, when using essential oils for your face, you have to be very careful because it can cause irritation. It's best to store your face cream in an airtight container. So what I've done here is I've got a jar which I washed and sterilized. So make sure you wash and sterilize it beforehand. And I'm just going to add in our moisturizer into this container. I've used a pump bottle to avoid unnecessary contact with the lotion. So I'm just going to wash my face before I show you what the moisturizer looks like on your face. So I've put my black soap on my hand, just a little bit. That is my black soap, and I've just popped a bit here on my hand. And I'm just gonna work that all over my face. And this black soap is amazing because it's got a little bit of everything. It's got oils, it's got rice powder, which gives it a mild exfoliating effect. And if you want to see how I make this black soap, you can click on, I'll put the link somewhere here, but it is so good. I'm just going to put a little bit of water on my hand and lather that through. So my face is washed and it's feeling quite dry. So as soon as I finish cleansing, I need to replace all of that lost moisture back. So this is our face cream that we made. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Pumped on my hand. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Now all you need is literally one pump. So I'm just going to activate that at the back of my hand and pop that on to my face. It is so nice. It is non-greasy and it just basically soaks itself into your skin. Absolutely beautiful. Very lightweight and not too heavy. It's great for everyday moisturization, as well as if you want to pop that moisturizer under of your makeup. Now, if your skin is sensitive, absolutely, totally skip adding essential oils. Now, remember the oats also help to naturally brighten your skin. That is amazing. It feels really good and it's totally absorbed into my skin. It's just your final tap, getting that blood circulation going. It's my husband. He's passing and looking at me like I'm crazy. Anywho, yeah, so that's it. Absolutely lovely. Don't forget, don't abandon your neck. Your neck needs that love as well. So there you have it. Our lovely oats moisturizer for your face. You can always just improve upon the recipe to address whatever needs you might have, and also to make a big batch for face and body. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comments. Please leave a comment and let me know if you're going to try it or if you tried it and how you got on. Just let's build one big happy family in the comment section. And I hope you consider subscribing and definitely share and like this video. So until I come your way again, it's me,